Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up. In today's video guys, I have another makeup brand tutorial today. The brand that I'm gonna use today is the Chanel guys. I have a few items makeup product from Chanel, so I'm done with Dior, and this time I have a Chanel. So it's been a long time I didn't do a makeup tutorial, so finally I have free time from this staying home. And so guys, let's start it. Before I start, I'm gonna put this. Sometimes when you do makeup it bothers you. This is what I do when I'm doing makeup guys. I just put this thing in. Actually I put cream, moisturizing, and eye cream. I put lip balm. I use this Popo. This is really good. It's really moisturized. Besides my Carmex, I also love this one because it's tinted. It makes your lip have a color in it. So I don't have any, hold on guys, with a eyeshadow. I have eyeshadows in here. This is a neutral color, so I'm gonna use this one and along with that one as well. So at first I'm gonna use this bright eyeshadow to all over my lid. I'm gonna use this one guys because I don't have a mirror. This watching YouTube makeup in YouTube, I still not applying my makeup very like good, but it's okay, learning. I add more a little bit of this. If I look up this way, I have a mirror in here, guys. This is easy for me. So I just add a little bit of that. Now I can put the foundation. I'm always shake the foundation to mix well. And I'm gonna put 1 pump. So I don't have any concealer. So what I did, I just put a little bit of this on my, I don't think this is good for concealer, but I will try because I never had a concealer. I didn't bought any concealer, guys, so I just used this one because I always try the concealer that I've been loving so much. I don't buy any like different. Maybe I will try one day for Chanel, but for now I'm gonna use this one since I don't have. See that? I love this look already, guys. So that's the one. And this one is my Le Beige Healthy Glow Multicolor. That's the one. And this is, looks like this. It comes with a brush. And this is the contour and the highlighter and blush on. I really love this. I using this product if I go travel, so I don't have to bring a lot of makeup product. So what I did, guys, this side I'm gonna use as a contour. Go back to my powder because I'm gonna do like this. Will make your face slimmer. So guys, I don't have also a mascara, but I have this free sample from Chanel base mascara. This is a last primer. I'm just gonna use this one as a mascara. And so the so maybe maybe I just leave it like that and let's see what's gonna happen if it stay the white is in here. So guys, I don't have also eyebrow pencil or anything, but I'm gonna use this one since this one is the lightest, and it's actually also, I think it's suit for my eyebrow. I have this. I'm gonna do, I always brush this and then use this one. So I'm gonna use this one as my eyebrow. Actually, it's actually suit to my eyebrow as well. Product also using as my eyebrow because it's actually work, so I don't need the lightest one. I just use this darkest one. So there you go guys, it's actually quite bright. It looks dark in a camera, but it doesn't much is in here. I'm not really good at this makeup putting my eyebrow. That's why I like the eyebrow pencil, because I just glide off and be quick and easy for me to apply. So, and the last, I have two lipstick in here. So this one is the red one, and this is the only two lipstick from Chanel I have. And this is the first Chanel I have. This is the Chanel Rouge Coco Stello. I'm using this for my daytime. You just push this, guys. I'm gonna use this one since my look it's quite dark. This one is a brown, guys, and it make you lip that's the shade of this. It's like it's beautiful mauve shiny color, and make your lips dehydrate as well because it has this shiny. So I guess that's it, guys. That's it for my Chanel makeup tutorial today. Guys later, and again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.